Landslides are the displacement or shifting of mud, dirt, sand, gravel, or rock debris due to haphazard geological phenomena such as earthquakes and/or severe weather patterns. The U.S. Search and Rescue Task Force states that landslides can also occur through man-made causes. Landslides are more likely to occur in areas of high human activity than in non-developed areas because alterations in the natural terrain exposes the environment to the unnatural pressures of buildings, homes, roads, and general infrastructure. According to the U.S. Search and Rescue Task Force, landslides occur in all 50 states with variations in the degree of devastation and frequency of occurrence. The signs that show the onset of landslides are soil redistributions, leaning telephone poles, cracked water pipes, and sunken roadbeds. If you notice any of these signs, please contact your local police and/or fire department immediately in order for preventative measures to be carried out. Remember that landslides are a dangerous natural hazard, so be mindful of the signs. Thank you.